Okay. Take 84. And building customer confidence in sassy solutions. Azure. But it's a Z. Got a little zhizh in there. Azure. Okay, got it.
From CTO Pascal Menezes. Menezes.
MEF CTO Pascal Menezes.
Let me hit that one again. Specifically from CTO Pascal Menezes. Really concept heavy to create dynamic partner ecosystem. Of course, the rest of the crew only had flip phones. But flip phones?
This intense contents. Where companies can exert greater control. I'm on the phone! I'm sorry, Ian is very, very close to my nether regions. He's like right here and it's weirding me out.
Come on. He pulled out one cleaver.
As for your blooper rule. Wow, can't even blooper rule. Nailed it. Cut.